Hey there, fellow self-publishers. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the top Amazon KDP niches focusing on diet planners and cookbooks. Whether you're new to self-publishing or looking to boost your earnings, this is for you. Our first niche is Organic Baby Food Planner. It has a niche score of 50. With 419 results, it's a niche where you can truly shine. The average BSR is around 500,000, and these books have earned an impressive 1,056 reviews. Priced at a competitive $17, this is a golden opportunity. A bestseller in this niche achieves a remarkable 91 daily sales and a daily profit of $390. That's an astounding 2,730 monthly sales and a monthly profit of $11,717. Now that's substantial. Now, on to our second niche, the Complete Dehydrator Cookbook. With a niche score of 58, it's another promising choice. There are 562 results, which means there's room for your success. The average BSR sits at 600,000 plus, and these books have amassed an impressive 2,000 plus reviews. Priced at a reasonable $14, it's an attractive option. A bestseller in this category yields 28 daily sales, resulting in a daily profit of $139. That's 840 monthly sales and a monthly profit of $4,195. You can work on this niche and earn handsome. Moving on to our third niche, the GERD Diet Cookbook for beginners. With a niche score of 76, this niche displays strong demand. There are 330 results, offering plenty of room for you to shine. The average BSR is an impressive around 288,000, and these books have accumulated 1,492 reviews. Priced at $13, it's a great choice. A top seller in this niche attains 66 daily sales, resulting in a daily profit of $330. That's 1,980 monthly sales and a monthly profit of $9,912. Excellent returns in this niche. Our fourth niche is the Acid Reflux Diet Cookbook. With a niche score of 71, it's a solid option. There are 337 results, indicating room for your success. The average BSR stands at 531,000 plus, and these books have received 301 reviews. Priced at $13, it's competitive. A bestseller in this category achieves 26 daily sales, equating to a daily profit of $54. That's 780 monthly sales and a monthly profit of $1,635. Great chance to make great returns. Next, we have the AIP Diet Planner. It shines with a niche score of 85, highlighting strong demand. There are 286 results, showing that this niche is far from saturated. The average BSR stands at 473,000 plus, and these books have earned 232 reviews. Priced at $13, it's an attractive opportunity. A top seller in this niche achieves 3 daily sales, leading to a daily profit of $17. That's 90 monthly sales and a monthly profit of $527, a steady stream of income. Last but not least, we have the Low FODMAP Diet Planner. With a niche score of 83, it's in high demand. There are 728 results, yet the competition isn't overwhelming. The average BSR is around 145,000 plus, and these books have 688 reviews. Priced at $13, it's quite promising. A bestseller in this category racks up 12 daily sales, translating into a daily profit of $80. That's 360 monthly sales and a monthly profit of $2,413. A fantastic opportunity. So there you have it. The top highly profitable Amazon KDP niches for 2023 in the realm of diet planners and cookbooks. These niches are teeming with potential for earnings. Remember, it's all about niche scores, result counts, BSRs, reviews, and competitive pricing. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, share your thoughts in the comments, and most importantly, subscribe for more exciting content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.